Welcome to Vietnam. This is a land of fascinating charm. We invite you on an exciting 8-day journey. You will explore famous cities and beautiful landscapes. History and culture come together here in a wonderful way. This is truly Vietnam's #1 trip, Day 1, Hanoi arrival. Welcome to Hanoi. Our tour guide and driver will welcome you at the airport. They will escort you to your hotel for check-in. The rest of the day is at your leisure for recovery. If your arrival time is early, you do not need to take a nap. You can choose to explore the city right away. You can enjoy a Hanoi food tour by motorbike at night. You can also take a cooking class or walk around the food street. Day 2, Hanoi City Tour. Enjoy your breakfast at the hotel. Between 8 a.m. and 8:30 a.m., your tour guide will meet you at your hotel to start the city tour. First, visit Tran Quoc Pagoda. It is located on the shores of West Lake and is full of amazing Buddhist symbolism. Next, see the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. This place has great cultural and historic value for Vietnam. Do not miss the iconic one-pillar pagoda. It is famous for its extraordinary architecture and is a religious stop for locals. Then explore the Temple of Literature. This is the first university in Vietnam, representing a traditional fondness for learning. After sightseeing, you will have lunch at an authentic Vietnamese restaurant. Take a short rest. In the afternoon, visit Hoan Kiem Lake and Ngoc Son Temple. It is famous for its peaceful beauty. Take a traditional cyclo tour through the busy old quarter. You can experience the daily life of the local people. Finally, savor the best street food in the world. After the tour, we will escort you back to your hotel. Day 3, Halong Bay Cruise. After breakfast, the cruise staff will pick you up at about 8 a.m. You will head to the cruise port of Halong Bay. The drive takes about 3 hours. You will check in on board around 12 a.m. Welcome on board. Enjoy a refreshing welcome drink and listen to the safety guidelines. Then enjoy a delicious lunch in the elegant dining room. In the afternoon, enjoy exciting activities. You can go sightseeing, kayaking, or swimming in the bay. You can also relax with spa and massage services. Or join the chef's cooking class to learn the art of Vietnamese cooking. In the evening, an elegant dinner is ready. It features a fusion of Eastern and Western cuisine with great wines. After dinner, enjoy board games, squid fishing, a night movie, or karaoke. Day 4, Halong Bay to Hoi An. Start your morning with a 20-minute Tai Chi class. Breathe the fresh air to brighten your day. After breakfast, continue exploring the tourist sites. Pack your luggage and check out at 10 a.m. The boat sails to the port while you enjoy an early lunch. The staff will drive you to the Hanoi airport for your flight to Da Nang. Welcome to Da Nang. Our guide will drive you 1 hour to Hoi An. This is a famous UNESCO World Heritage Site. Check into your hotel and enjoy your free night. Day 5, Hoi An Exploration. Between 8 a.m. and 8:30 a.m., your tour guide will pick you up to start a half-day excursion to Cam Tan Village. You will experience traditional fishing and catch crabs. You will also ride a unique Vietnamese bamboo basket boat. After a delicious Vietnamese lunch, your afternoon tour begins. Your guide will take you to the edge of the ancient town. Visit the 200-year-old Tan Key House, beautifully preserved for 7 generations. See the Museum of Trade Ceramics and the Chinese-inspired Chua Ong Pagoda. Walk through Hoi An Market, reputed to be one of Vietnam's best. Return to the hotel for a relaxing evening. Day 6, Hoi An to Saigon. After breakfast, our guide will take you to the Da Nang airport. You will fly 80 minutes to Ho Chi Minh City. Check into your hotel and take a short rest. At 1 p.m., your tour guide will meet you to explore iconic highlights. Visit Notre Dame Cathedral. It is honored as one of the world's 19 most majestic cathedrals. See the Old Saigon Post Office, Vietnam's largest post office and oldest colonial structure. Explore Cholon, the largest Chinatown in the city. Then visit the sacred Emperor Jade Pagoda, where people pray for blessings. Day 7-8, Mekong Delta and departure. Day 7, prepare for a full-day Mekong Delta discovery. Your tour guide will meet you around 8 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Arrive at Tai Bay Jetty at 10 a.m. Board the Tai Bay Princess Sampan with a refreshing drink. Observe the busy life on the floating market from your boat. Visit an ancient house built in the 19th century. See the local cottage industries making coconut candy and puffed rice. Have a lovely lunch at Le Longanier restaurant, surrounded by fruit trees and a tropical garden. At 2:30 p.m., take a short walk to Ba Bon Bridge. Your personal vehicle will drive you back to Saigon. Day 8, enjoy your breakfast and free time in the morning. Our guide will pick you up for your airport transfer. Tour services end here. We hope you enjoyed a great trip with us. If you plan to continue exploring Cambodia, Thailand, Laos, or Myanmar, please tell us. We are tour experts for all of these destinations. If you have any doubts, please consult Asia Exclusive Tours. Please contact us to start a private and luxury journey.